Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a 4-bolt main block, brand new block, all forged steel internals. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. Correct front sump oil pan for the 1967 Mustang. Roller lifter camshaft, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice red ignition wires. Customer wanted the 427 Shelby valve covers with the matching Shelby air cleaner, 13-inch air cleaner with a washable filter. The Shelby breather on there, and Shelby PCV system with a heavy-duty Russell line on there. We have the MSD distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. This is the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system, the new system they have out. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the correct standard flywheel, Ford Racing billet steel flywheel, correct tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. Fuel pressure gauge all set up. It's real nice Wraptor polished serpentine pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, AC compressor, high flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation, correct lower hose, the 67 Mustang on the passenger side, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there all set up. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed. Dipstick and tube is on there, all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested at the engine factory. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. You can see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We dial in the Holley Sniper EFI system. The menu screen will be all set up for the customer, ready to go. All the settings set, all done. We check for leaks. Extremely close, everything again 100% tested. You'll have total confidence when you put the engine in. You know it'll be perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us a text at that number, or you can email us at info@enginefactory.com. Again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine for the 1967 Mustang. Thanks for watching.